Welcome to your Clustdoc account. In this tutorial, I'll show you the main sections of your account. Let me introduce you to your activity dashboard. Once you log in your account, you'll get on the home page a live overview of top activities and trends related to your account. Your personal and company settings can be managed from the top right of your account. After clicking at the top right of your account, click on Setup Profile to customize anything related to your user profile. Click on Setup Team to customize your company details, invite users, set up branding, or manage your subscription, invoices, and more. The Resources section at the top allows you to work on your processes, saved assets, and workflows. It is organized in 4 main sections. First, you have the Processes tab, where all processes you map out will be saved and available to your team. Secondly, you have the Toolbox. In this section, you can save key templates that can be used in any of your processes. Anything you save in the Toolbox is shared across your organization and is accessible to your teammates depending on their permissions. It includes online forms you created, e-contracts you've prepared, attachments you may want to add to your processes, and also tags and spreadsheets. And finally, you'll find in the Resources section a tab called the Library. That's where you'll find not only ready-to-use process templates but also general themes that you could leverage to customize your end user's experience. Usually, the Resources section is where you and your team will spend most of your time right after registering to a Clustdoc account in order to set up your onboarding processes. Then, you will most likely work on a daily basis from the Applications section to manage submissions. The Applications section is where you can review your end user's data. You'll find there live digital records and all the tasks completed by real people based on your process mapping.